Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, guys. I'm doing a follow-up here with the client that I did on Thursday. Just look how beautiful his floors turned out. This is the 2-coat satin sheen, beautiful red oak, on-site finished. And this how these two floors turned out. We're doing a little area that there's a piece of hair that actually fell in here on the corner that we're going to touch up right over here. And I told him we'd take care of that, no problem. He said, Ryan, I could take care of it if you just tell me how. I said, no, that's what we're about. We serve our clients, and I told him I'd come out on Monday and take care of it. So here we are. But look how beautiful these floors look, guys. Man, beautiful satin sheen. These floors look like brand new, guys. That's what he said. I always let my clients tell me what they think because I don't put words in their mouth. But he said, yeah, these floors look brand new. Look at that. This is a screen and recoat. This is a sandless option. Maintenance service. We screen off real protection, grime and dirt and debris, and reapply new coat to finish. 2 coats, actually. This is an alternative to a sanding. Fraction of the cost. Same day service. Done one day, and no sand. It's sandless. A lot of times, this is a good option if you just want to revive your floors or change the sheen or just make it look refreshed. A screen recoat is by far the most popular service. However, not all floors are created equal. If you have any kind of sun UV damage or you have water damage or deep gouges, unfortunately, a screen recoat won't help you. At that point, you need a full sanding, a full sand, stain, and recoat, essentially. Which we do that as well as, last resort. But ideally, we want to catch it before you need that. If your floors look a little dingy or look not uniform, then before a sanding is needed, this is the service we can provide you. It's called a screen and recoat. Screening basically means we screen off your old protection and reapply new. In layman's terms, guys, we're taking off your clear coat and reapply a new clear coat. So that's what that means. So in doing that, you can also change the sheen. You can do a matte, which is popular right now, or a satin. Or if you want a shiner, you can do a semi-gloss. But most what we do is either a satin or a matte. So, man, these floors are good. So, again, if you need a service, reach out. You can find us online at wecansaveyourfloors.com. Hit the Book Now tab, fill out your information, and we will contact you with the next available service dates. Now, we do charge $75 to come out and look at your floors. That does include an in-home estimate, do the measurement, look at your wood profile and your registers to make sure it's 3/4 thick, which is typically right there. And then to give you our best practice and what we recommend for your floors, depending on if they're on site or pre-finished. Now, normally, also included in the price is, you get an in-depth consultation of what we recommend for your floors. We do a Recoat test to make sure there's no buildup of wax. We look at your profile, make sure it's screenable. And we also look for any pest infestation, water damage, UV damage, all these other kind of things that may be present, and then explain to you best our opinion on best practice and what we recommend based on what you're trying to convey. However, if you just want to say, hey, Ryan, we should make it looking better, look improved, then we can screen and recoat it. Or if you got pre-finish and you just want to get the residue off, we can do what we call a clean and buff. We just clean your floors and buff them. Or if you got all kinds of damages and it's been 20 plus years before you had anything done to your floors, they've been neglected, then of course you need a full sand and recoat. And if you want to change any kind of the color, a screen and recoat will not do that. You do need a full sand. Clients ask me all the time, can you change the color? Yeah, we can, but you need a full sand. And the reason why a full sand has to happen is because we have to sand it all down, flatten it out, so it absorbs the stain, and then we can recoat it accordingly. Usually, guys, on average, and I'll just kind of shoot this out there, if we're doing 1,000 square feet, just plan on 4 to 5 day duration. You can't walk on your floors during the full sanding, and a lot of times people just take a vacation. So unfortunately, if your floors are beyond a screening, you may just need a full sand. But if you just want to revive your floors like this here, and they're in pretty good shape, you just want to, revive the luster, you will extend the life of your floors and never, ever need a full sanding. I'll say that again. You'll never need a full sanding if you let AOCleaning screen and recoat your floors. Now, we can screen and recoat any kind of floor, whether it's hardwood, solid hardwood. We can even do engineered. We can, re-protect the sheen. We can do laminate. We could do LVP. Any kind of floor you got, we can essentially add protection on that. Now you can't sand luxury vinyl, and you cannot sand engineered because you got those little veneers, but you can screen and recoat it. So little FYI. But yeah, guys, good investment. And we also sell our AO wood neutral floor cleaner. So that way you can just use that to clean your floors and not build a buildup of residue. And it's safe and effective for not only your hardwood, but also your tile. So a little tip of the day, guys. Hope that added value to you. Man, I just love coming back and seeing these floors. These look amazing. So, all right, guys, I'm on to my next job after this. I got 2 more estimates on the books. And then we have another consultation for hardwood. All right, guys, see you in the next one.